Hi, this is the ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should launch the settings application and then tap to Wi-Fi section. So here you'll see a Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click once on the switcher, and after that we could select all the one from these available networks. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password. After that, if you want to see this password, you should click to the show password checkbox by this way. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel first and find here somewhere Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings you should hold it for a while, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.